Welcome to this guided meditation for forgiveness. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. We're going to conduct the Ho'oponopono meditation. Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. The term means to make right or to correct. It is based on the belief that our outer world is a reflection of our inner state, and by healing ourselves, we can heal the world around us. The practice involves 4 key phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. These phrases are repeated to foster healing, release negative emotions, and restore balance and harmony. It helps in letting go of guilt, anger, and resentment. It fosters forgiveness for oneself and others, leading to inner peace. It realigns your thoughts and emotions, promoting mental and emotional well-being. It also improves relationships by clearing negative energies and fostering compassion. Now, start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Allow each breath to bring you deeper into a state of relaxation and peace. Now gently bring to mind someone you feel you need to forgive. This could be yourself or another person. Hold this image lightly in your mind, with compassion and understanding. As you focus on this person, repeat silently or aloud the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Repeat the prayer again, feeling the words resonate in your heart. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. With each repetition, imagine a warm, healing light surrounding you and the person you're thinking of. Let this light represent love, kindness, and forgiveness. Now, gently focus on the first phrase, I'm sorry. Acknowledge any pain or hurt caused. Recognize your intention to bring healing and understanding. Take a moment to breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Next, move to the second phrase. Please forgive me. Open your heart to the possibility of forgiveness. Feel the release of any burden or guilt. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now the third phrase, thank you. Express gratitude for the opportunity to forgive and be forgiven. Feel the gratitude wash over you, filling you with warmth and peace. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Finally, the last phrase, I love you. Send unconditional love to yourself and the person you're forgiving. Let this love be pure and healing. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to sit in this space of love and forgiveness for a few moments. Feel the lightness and peace that come from letting go and opening your heart. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes and take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. Carry this feeling of forgiveness and love with you throughout your day, remembering forgiveness is a gift you can give to yourself as much as to others. Thank you for joining this meditation. May you find peace, love, and forgiveness within your heart.